everyone, welcome to RIIT Expo 2025 and we are here at the stall of Cosmic PV Power Limited and I'm speaking to Mr. Shravan Gupta, Director of Cosmic PV Power. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. Sir, can you let me know about yourself?
Yes, myself Shravan Gupta, Managing Director, Cosmic TV Power Limited. We are Surat, Gujarat based, having module manufacturing capacity of 3 gigawatt. We have 4 lines right now running there, and we are, you can say that the contract manufacturer and OEM module manufacturer for many big brands, and we are operating across pan India.
So recently, sir, as I got to know about that Cosmic Power has been allotted industrial land by the MP government, right? And if I'm not wrong, in the zone of Narmadapuram, right? So, what would you like to say about this tremendous achievement?
Yeah, it's a massive land bank we have got there, and we are very thankful to the MP government, Madhya Pradesh government for choosing us, inviting us, and we are very much hopeful to start our. And this land is provided to us for our cell line projects. So we are very much hopeful to start construction soon there. Once all the legal formalities will be clear, my team is on to that. And yes, it's going to be like testament, or you can say the biggest milestone we have achieved so far. Because from here, it will work as a you can say that it will work as a runway for us from where we will take off. So this achievement is big for us, and as a company, say we are into module manufacturing from last 5 years only. Within 5 years, we have came so far. So we are really proud on our team and our all the stakeholders and the people who has put their hard work into this.
Okay, as you you are saying thank you to your employees. Yes, you are giving the credit to your employees. Actually, employees plays a vital role when it comes to success of the company. And everybody, and as even I personally, I got to know about that Cosmic Solar has distributed a card to its employees. So what is the thought process of this, behind this, that you have, done this, and you have a very polite and very humble, and a very good relation with your employees?
See, this Diwali, yes, we have distributed, multiple cars and bikes to our employees and many electronic appliances down the line also. So it's all like, this year we celebrated our 50th foundation day. So we realized that there are people behind the success of our company, and there are people, though they are not from day one, but still putting so much hard work. They deserve the appreciation. And honestly speaking, my background, I was employed. 7-8 years back, I was employed only. So from being employed to now being employed, and right now we are having more than somewhere 1,200 to 1,500 employees. So this kind of employee base we have. 5 years back we started with 20 people. So this success or these achievements do not come by only my effort or the other directors' effort. It is a contribution from each and every employee, stakeholder, our investor who shows trust on us. So this is a kind of payback, you can say, as a token of appreciation for the hard work they have put. And yes, investor automatically will get benefit as and when our company will grow, right? So, but what about employees? So it's not only increment or salary they should look for. So this is what a trend we have set up in this industry. Yes, and we are proud that we are the first to do this. And our employees are very happy in the industry. People are talking about that. And I'm very thankful for all the employees who have put their hard work and bring us here.
This is actually an inspirational. Inspirational. So now coming to the best battery energy storage system. So as you signed the MOU with Indie Green and
Yes.
Indie Green Solutions. So what would you like to say about this MOU?
See, battery energy storage system is hot cake now in the industry. Right. Other side people were talking recently about the oversupply in solar industry. But with base coming to the picture, the entire scenario has been changed. Now with solar, there will be, uh, storage also. So we another 5 to 7 years life has been given to solar industry from the expert actually. Though we believe that solar is going very long way, and with coming best into the picture, there will be at least uh, 2 decades for the industry will be there. So yes, we have signed MOU with Indigen Technologies. They are going to supply us 1.4 gigawatt our first line, and we are very much hopeful to start our best production line by first quarter of next FY, and we are very much excited to get into this business because there are very few players, big players in this business. We were not pioneer in solar, right? We came as a you can say mid late entrant, but in this industry we want to be the pioneer. So yes, we are very much happy, excited, and looking forward to have a successful journey.